Today I got new Fidgets. Look. So I got this. This stress ball is very small, yeah. It's very stretchy and it's very squeezy. So yeah, chop it. Okay guys, I'm chopping it. Oh, my container's upstairs. Sure, I'm doing a video. You're making, not doing. Well, get that. Okay guys, I cut it off. It's so fun. Okay, let's get into the next one. Froggy time. Look at this. It's very good though. Okay guys, if you hear that, that's just from my TV. Because I was watching thingy, yeah, strange things. Yeah. I need to look at this. Okay. Bye. And guys, so got this. Okay guys, I'm back. Got that there. And the last thing, you know what it is. Puppet! Yeah, I only bought one. I can't open it, literally. There you go, I opened it. Now, where's the remote?
Ale 180, to co oni tam szybko to wylądowali?
Open it with scissors. Oh guys, buy toffee pea, buy this to make toffee pea. You can make a puppet or simple dimple if you could. Or, yeah. Okay, I opened it. I opened my puppet. Let's see how good is it. Oh my god. It's super good. It's, feel it. Feel it. See? Nice. It's very soft. Guys, I can't believe it. It's literally very super soft. I don't know why I literally said that. Okay, I will pop it at the loud side. This is the loud side. Yeah, I'll pop it. Oh my god! It's so satisfying. Oh my god, guys. Okay, guys. And I got this bike chain. So subscribe and like to my video, or you know. Okay. Bye. Hey guys, about that. Just ending the video.